Brain training comprises targeted activities aimed at enhancing cognitive functions, including memory, focus, and decision-making skills. By engaging in specialized exercises, you stimulate neural pathways, fostering better mental agility and health. Regular practice can lead to significant improvements in everyday cognitive tasks, boosting focus and the ability to solve complex problems efficiently. Furthermore, these exercises not only keep your mind sharp, but also help delay the cognitive decline associated with aging, making brain training a crucial routine for maintaining an active and healthy brain throughout life. Mental math isn't just about solving math problems quickly, it's a powerful tool to sharpen your brain. Engaging in mental mathematics exercises regularly stimulates your mind, enhancing mental agility and boosting concentration. When you perform calculations swiftly, your brain works under pressure, adapting to solve problems efficiently and swiftly. This not only improves your numerical abilities, but also enhances your daily life cognitive skills. Challenging yourself with increasingly complex problems ensures continuous cognitive development and keeps your brain engaged and active, fostering greater mental resilience and capacity. Puzzle solving, from crosswords to jigsaw puzzles and Sudoku, serves as an excellent brain exercise that fosters pattern recognition and strategic thinking skills. By engaging with different puzzle types, individuals stretch their cognitive abilities, identifying patterns and devising strategies to solve complex problems. This mental exercise not only sharpens the mind, but also improves decision-making skills and enhances problem-solving capabilities in everyday situations. Regularly tackling these puzzles can lead to improved mental flexibility and a better ability to manage challenging tasks in various aspects of life. Memory games like matching games, recall activities, and memory-boosting apps play a crucial role in enhancing cognitive functions. These exercises are designed to improve both short-term and long-term memory retention. By regularly engaging with such games, individuals challenge their minds to remember, recognize, and recall various pieces of information. This process not only aids in strengthening neural connections, but also helps in enhancing overall mental acuity. As memory is a fundamental element of daily functioning, these activities provide significant benefits in personal, educational, and professional environments, leading to improved life quality. Mindfulness exercises and meditation are not just practices, but essential tools for enhancing mental health. By adopting mindfulness, individuals can significantly reduce stress levels, improve their concentration, and enhance overall emotional well-being. These practices involve a focused awareness on the present moment, which helps in managing unwanted thoughts and emotions effectively. Regular meditation leads to a calmer mind, better stress management, and an increased capacity to handle daily pressures. The resultant mental clarity gained through these exercises is invaluable in fostering a balanced, healthy mental state conducive to long-term cognitive health.